Hello friends, hope you are doing well and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to deep dive into the latest model of ChatGPT's and it is 5.6 Sol. So what are the feature of this latest model? In this video I'm going to simplify this. So stay tuned. I am Narayan and you are watching Get Plus Mindset. So in the introduction video on OpenAI, they showed that, this model GPT 5.6 is more intelligent and even you can run your farming business using this AI. And in this introductory video, it shows someone is running a cereal business from their dining room in New York. So in the introduction article, we see that GPT 5.6 set a new standard for both intelligence and efficiency, achieving state-of-the-art result across coding, knowledge work, cybersecurity, and science while outperforming the previous models. So comparatively it is more smarter. So now the race is about which model is more smarter, which model is giving efficient result at cheaper price. That is the main competition in the world of AI. So the question is how you are going to use this latest model. You need to download the codex or the software, Windows-based software of ChatGPT, and you can select this new model and ask question whatever you want to do. But there need to be a strategy how you are going to implement AI on what purpose. And for example, you are a small business, you want to use AI for improving your productivity, then what are the area you want to focus? Do you want to utilize it in customer acquisition, doing some marketing campaign for your existing brand content, and do you want to use it to process some sort of knowledge work so that you can use that knowledge work for explaining about your product and service, explaining your customer about your product and service and all those things. So basically, as I told you, it is a competition between which is the best AI model right now. There is a website called artificialanalysis.ai and it analyzes an index of different models and their performance level. So it is an index score that shows that Claude Fable 5 is at the top with a score of 60. And what is the score? This score is coming from the independent researchers who are like voting about the performance. And here GPT 5.6 is just 1 point down, the second position, and GPT 5.6 Sol X high is 58. So there is a tough competition going on between the Anthropic and OpenAI. OpenAI's 3 models are at the position number 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and the Claude has 2 models as well in these top 5 list. And we see that the Gemini model is like out of the top 10 list. So basically when you download this ChatGPT Codex software on Windows and install it, interface looks like this, where you can select this model. So here when I am just testing this particular model, you can see I can select one of these from 5.6 Terra, Luna, 5.5, 5.4 Mini. So these are the major models right now available on these OpenAI free to access softwares, not the paid version. So here one of the interesting fact is that this OpenAI model 5.6 is using a very little amount of token to answer difficult questions with reasoning, whereas the Claude Sonnet use a more token to answer the same difficult question. So here using less content, less token means more efficient. So looking at the efficiency, these 5.6 models are more efficient compared to Claude Sonnet here. So token is equivalent to more token is equivalent to more cost. So here we see that in terms of cost, this Claude Fable 5, which is latest model of Claude, is using actually more token, so that the cost is high. And if I compare it to the latest model of OpenAI, this cost is less. So you can see the weightage of average cost per artificial analysis, and this kind of models like ChatGPT 5.6, GPT 5.6 is more efficient. So this website keep updated with the latest model. In terms of you will get information about various model. Look at the list. It's a huge amount of list here of different model they are covering. And obviously this site is a huge resource for artificial intelligence enthusiasts who regularly test different model. Why they test? Because they want to give best quality solution to their customer as an advisor on. And most of the small budget business owner generally looking for open source solution that are less costly, and at the same time they also want their data privacy, to keep the data in a standalone PC kind of thing. So you get information about all models, you see different type of coding agents are there. Then look at the various type of tools that are used for image generation, and you will get opportunity. If you are interested, you will get opportunity to test and do experiment with any of this image generation model. And they also provide API as well. And the kind of hardware they also this website also compared the hardware, especially AI related hardwares, and you can see hardware consumption of different models here. Text to image is more popular among the content creator. So here is the data about text to image leaderboard. OpenAI is at the top, and this is the amount of API cost that you need to create like 1,000 images. This is really a very large, and compared to these OpenAI GPT image, it is like 10% of this cost. Like for 1,000 image you need to spend only $24, which is Reva. What is the website of this tool? It is Reva is a text to image generator AI. Look at this website. So very interesting fact that actually this kind of website keep their leaderboard updated by the experts, and you can see what is the cheapest API that can generate 1,000 images at a very low cost. Among this list, I see there is a tool. It is costing like $5 for creating 1,000 images, and out of this list there is another tool which is named as like High Dream. Again a text to image generator tool. And oh, it's amazing, there is another tool, ByteDance. It is creating like 1000 image for just $1.7. So 1.5, another tool is by NVIDIA. And there is another tool which is zero cost for creating thousand images. So where is this website? Let's try to find. Okay, so this is the website that allows you creating free images. And just you need to create an account and ask question, make your prompt relevant to the image. And image quality definitely depends on the quality of the model. So we'll definitely test it in future. So coming back to this article of introduction about the GPT 5.6 Sol, I see that small businesses, even the farmer, can use these tools to their regular activities, just like having a conversation with the AI, and whatever conversation you are making, record it from voice to text. The whole conversation is going to become your text. If you can define your problem, just like telling some expert for a constructive solution, something like that. So things are changed now, especially people who are coding. They use different tools like Cursor, Gemini, or various type of code assistance tools. And here you need an intelligent brain, and when you have tools like GPT 5.6 or Claude, the various model of Claude, you are getting a strong expert beside you. Just you need your judgment, your ideation, your quality maintenance, and achieving the goals. As long as you can define your goal, you are very much focused on this specific goal, it can solve the problem. And all you need your patience and guide AI with more accurate relevance context. So it is like when people are doing some end-to-end knowledge works, like project management, you are using Notion to schedule your tasks of a big project, break down it into small pieces, defining the goal of each task, and inviting your friend to complete these tasks. Instead of inviting friend, you can invite some agent to do these tasks. If it is something like researching internet, finding out information, something like that. And when it is matter of communication, you are using like Microsoft 365, and these new models are easily plug and play kind of thing to those software like Google Drive, and you can do more research and get some output that is like processed by an expert. So as a result, when your various problems are crystal clear, presented in a very nice way, with graphics, with analysis, with logical steps, and data are formatted in a table format, you can take better decision. And there is a new trend of startup are grown, where they are using tools like Lovable and other software, telling the software what exactly they need, and building the application or website for the business. The biggest problem is, after launching the website, there are many other issues, like looking at the SEO of the website, the security of the website, building new content of the website, and making it human friendly. After all, AI giving you idea, AI doing the heavy lifting, but human touch and making it efficient for more human it is a challenge. So here you need to use some thoughts, like going outside the box, going outside the thinking of the AI, and taking one further step to communicate with the direct customer, solving the real problem of the actual consumer. These are very important. So you can, after that, you can scale up your business or your farm or your educational research, whichever field you want to explore through this kind of AI. So price is a factor. Open source free models are not so good, but if you subscribe some paid model, they are really worthy, more worthier than the cost that we spend for entertainment. Like in New York City, if you want to watch your favorite movie in a theater, it will cost around 30 to 40 bucks to enjoy a 3-hour movie. Instead, if you spend that amount for a subscription, AI subscription, and use it, do experiment with this, I think that will give you more avenues. And but the question is, if you get so many ideas, so many solution all together, and you don't have a specific goal, all you are going to entertain yourself with those knowledges. So I think it is better to focus on a specific area and do more and more research on these areas only. There are many self-improvement tools available, cybersecurity related tools available. Specific models are working in specific areas. So here is a list. Let's try to understand this list. And artificial intelligence for management, if artificial intelligence for science and technology related activities, for computer related tasks, like okay, we can use it for, like, for example, Browsecamp. It is a testing software, I guess. So it is a simple challenging benchmark that measure the ability of AI agent to find information. So these blogs are full of different researches. For example, the tools like Nano GPT. What is Nano GPT? Nano GPT, there is a website of Nano GPT. Browse and discover the best AI language model for conversation, coding, and creative writing. Nano GPT. Nano GPT is a comparison website here we see, but in this context, this particular website rated this one as 9.6%. On what basis? That is a question. So then multi-model academic activities. There are many other parameters that actually used to test the model and its efficiency. Researcher constantly writing various articles. Even if you spend an hour to explore them, you will be explored by so many knowledge and data share out of the, like, free to access for everyone. I hope you find this information valuable. See you guys in another episode. Until then, take care.